how to enable voice chat on Roblox on PS5. So here's what you want to do. First, you want to open up the Roblox app. Just open up the app and log into your account. Then here, once we are within the app itself, we will click on more in the top right corner, and then you gotta go into settings like so, and make sure that cross-platform play is enabled. So click on cross-platform play and enable it. Alright, so that was one of the things that you needed to do, and you need to do two more things. So for the next thing, you take your controller and here make sure that, just let it focus. Okay, so make sure that voice chat is enabled. So click on the button. If you see the microphone icon there, then it means that your mic is enabled. And the last thing that you gotta do, you can take your phone and just log into your account here, and with your phone you will just go into more in the bottom right. Then you want to go into settings, so click on settings. Then you will go into privacy and content maturity, and here you want to go into communication. Then go into voice chat and click on enable microphone. Then just click on enable or confirm and enable like this, and that's how you do it. Now you should have voice chat on your PS5 Roblox. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.